Guys, explain this. Explain this. Explain this. I asked Google. I asked Google. I want Roblox scripts. Instead, he said, "Oh, Roblox. I'm using Android, so no. And then the safe way is Retro Studio, but I used to, but I didn't play it on my oldest account from 2025. I played it when I lost the account when the news was coming. The Roblox was banned from the Philippines. When was the fake news come, the Roblox is finally you can download. I actually know when I deleted again, I downloaded because the game I missed only because I'm this Roblox. And I make an account that called out. I can actually log into this. And then Google said, to clear up about those confusions, Roblox was never banned in the Philippines. Yeah. 7. There was a lot of takes, the clickbait, and videos going around the social media. Keep playing players. Keep playing over a ban, losing your account over a ban. About losing your account over a ban anymore. Since you finally log your main account on Android, let's get I cannot type that. I just use mic. Face emoji. I'm just gonna handle this myself.
Sino ba yan? Sino yan?
Isko.
Ay, saan ba ang balimbing? Saan daw punta niya? Kay Sarah. Alas 11. Iwan na, may atin ako.
Kakain na?
Tingnan mo dyan, anong oras?
Wala, hindi ko na.
When I made the game,
Marunong din.
K-I-L-L.
Oo. Tama nga yan. Ayun. Nasaan yan? Ayun ang inyong kapartido. May sumumang agad eh. Rimulya.
Nagsabi kasi ito na hindi daw magnanako si Marcos eh. Kaya ito yung ano eh. Ito yung alis kong akin.
Oo. Laro sa kabila. Oo. Hindi. Ito kay Nini. Kay Nini si Billy.
Ano yung amoy?
Si Billy.
Binigyan ka lang ng project.
Okay, what?